What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're gonna learn how to play I Knew You Were Trouble by Taylor Swift on the good old uke. In this video, you'll learn how to play the individual chords and also the different ways you can play this song on the uke. And also there will be a mini play along in the end of the video, so make sure to stick around to the end. Also, there will be a full play along video, which is the chords and lyrics on screen while I strum and sing the entire song. That will be a separate video. Again, that will be linked in the description below. And as always with every ukulele tutorial, I will have the timestamps for every section in this video. So if you want to skip ahead, you can go and skip ahead to each section. Again, that will be down below. But that being said, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. Alright, so now that you're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke, the strings, and my beautiful fingers, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation of where I need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need, which is the C chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger, this one right here, and you're going to place your middle finger on the first string, 3rd fret, so it's going to look like that, and it's going to sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, so it's going to look like that. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and finally you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So your fingers are occupying the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings on the 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. How we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So again, it looks like a staircase going down, and it should sound like this. And last but definitely not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those are all 4 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need, and as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play. And now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I ain't got time for strumming. I just started learning the uke a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. Literally, this is my favorite song. Please don't add any strumming. I will hate you if you do. I don't want you to hate me. So the first way that we're going to play this song is going to be with a simple down strum. So you're going to strum down with your thumb on all 4 strings, and as soon as you see a new chord change, you're just going to strum down again. So again, you're just going to use your thumb and strum all 4 strings, and it's going to sound absolutely amazing. Alright, so the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and actually how I played it in the full ukulele play along video. Again, that will be linked down below, but it's actually going to have 2 different strumming patterns throughout the entire song for the verse and also the chorus. So we're going to break those down. So in the beginning of the song is for the verse, and it goes, once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights, you got me all alone. So that part, we're going to start off with a G, and it's going to be a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So again, we're going to do that again in 3, 2, 1, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So you're gonna do that strumming pattern once for every chord. So it goes, once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sight, you got me all alone, you found me, you found me, you found me, So you're gonna do that strumming pattern again, down, up, down, up, down, up, once for every chord. And now let's talk about the verse. So in the verse, the strumming pattern is going to change a little bit, but again, we're gonna break it down. So the verse section is gonna be, 'cause I knew you were trouble when you walked in, so shame on me now. And then it's gonna keep on going, but we're gonna talk about it. So it's gonna start off with an E minor chord, and the strumming pattern is going to be a down, up, down, up. Let's do that again in 3, 2, 1. Down, up, down, up. So you're gonna do that strumming pattern once for every chord, but there's gonna be 2 down strums. So it's the, so shame on me now. That one is going to be a down and down. So let's break it down again. So we'll put the lyrics and chords on screen. So for the E minor, the C, and the D is going to get the down, up, down, up. So let's try it again. In 3, 2, 1, 'cause I knew you were trouble when you walked in, so shame on me now. So the G and the D for the shame and on me, G, down strum, D, down strum. So it's gonna go E minor, C, D, G, and D, and then you go back to E minor, which is the down, up, down, up. So again, it goes, 'cause I knew you were trouble when you walked in, so shame on me now. You blah, 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 blah. I don't know the rest of the lyrics, but again, you get the gist of it. It's literally gonna go E minor, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, down, up, G, down, D, down, E minor, back to the down, up, down, up. So again, the verse is gonna get that initial strumming pattern of the down, up, down, up, down, up. And then in the chorus, it's gonna be the down, up, down, up. And then it's gonna be a down and down. So again, if you do wanna go rewind the section, but again, it's pretty straightforward. And if you're like, Ricky, this is too much for me to handle, again, you can always just do a simple down strum. So if you want to stick with the verse strumming pattern, that's perfectly fine. And then in the chorus, you're like, it's too much with the down. You can literally be like, 'cause I knew you were trouble when you walked in, so shame on me now. So you can do a down strum and it'll sound absolutely perfection. All right, so we talked about the chords and the different ways you can play this song, and also we did a little mini play along while we're learning the strumming patterns. Congratulations, you now know how to play I Knew You Were Trouble by Taylor Swift on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Also, my analytics show that 70% of you guys that watch these videos have not hit that red subscribe button, so make sure to join the fam. Please also give this video a thumbs up because I do have a little bit of a sore throat. I don't know if you've noticed, but I was like, you know what, we got to do this Taylor Swift song because I love you guys, and even though I have a scratchy throat, I still try to do this video, so again, give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you are playing in this video? It looks amazing, it sounds amazing, I need to know. Well, this is a concert-sized Enya ukulele. I'll leave a link in the description below. It has a cherry blossom design on the headstock, and honestly, it's one of my absolute favorites. And also, why it's awesome is because it won't break the bank. It is super affordable, well under $100. So I'll leave a link down below. Thank you, Enya, for making awesome ukes. Also talking about links in the description, links to the merch. I have the Potato Squad hoodie. We also have the Uke Fam merch as well. And also links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And also, most importantly, leave your song recommendations and suggestions in the comments of this video. I'm always going through them. I'm listening to your recommendations and suggestions. And who knows, maybe your song might be the next video. So make sure to leave them down below. That is it for me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.